हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज अक्षय देसाई। तो दोस्तों, कल मैंने एक ब्लॉग डाला था 2 दिन पहले काला घोड़ा आर्ट फेस्टिवल का। तो वहाँ पे मैंने एक पोर्ट्रेट बनाया था। जैसे मैंने वीडियो में बोला था कि मैंने मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम लाइव पोर्ट्रेट बनाया है, वो भी सिर्फ 30 मिनट्स में। तो मैंने वो वीडियो शूट किया है और मैंने वो अपलोड कर रहा हूँ। पूरा 30 मिनट्स का वीडियो तो नहीं अपलोड कर रहा हूँ, उसको एडिट कर करके मैंने थोड़ा शॉर्ट बना दिया है ताकि आप सब देख सको। और मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम उस वीडियो मतलब पोर्ट्रेट बनाते वक्त समझा कि पोर्ट्रेट में बहुत कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती है जो हमें पता नहीं है। और इनफैक्ट मोस्टली 90% 90 का 99% लोगों को पता नहीं है। और ये मुझे काफी अच्छा एक्सप्लेन किया जिन्होंने मेरा पोर्ट्रेट बनाया था, मिस्टर हरिनाथ फ्रॉम बैंगलोर। तो आप ये ब्लॉग देखिए जितना हो सके। आपको अगर फोटोग्राफी या पोर्ट्रेट में इंटरेस्ट हो तो आप ये पूरा ब्लॉग देखिए और आपको समझेगा लाइक कि पोर्ट्रेट कैसे बनता है। और उसको 3 स्टेजेस है, उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किए। तो देखिए ये ब्लॉग आगे।
और जैसे आउटलाइन हाँ जस्ट
मेरा डुप्लीकेट जस्ट मैक्स टू मैक्स 5 to 7 मिनट्स एंड सर ने ऑलमोस्ट मेरा डुप्लीकेट बना दिया है सामने ही। अब कलर भरते हुए तो आप बोलोगे मेरा छोटा भाई आ गया, अब सेम जुड़वा आ गया।
वेरी
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
लेट मी कंप्लीट द वर्क।
ओके सर, अभी इसमें बहुत कुछ काम बाकी है। लेट्स सी हाउ मच टाइम इट टेक्स।
Very nice media. This color pencil, it will not fade
So
very quickly. Yeah. See, it's not sticking to my hand. Faber-Castell pencils are very good.
आप जैसे बना रहे हो ऐसे लग रहा है होमवर्क भी इतना इजीली नहीं कर पाते।
Pardon? Home?
You cannot just do a homework as well.
Okay.
You should think before writing something.
This painting, this whatever I'm doing now, it can be sold for 500. It can go for 50, 5,000 also.
5,000 sir. I have seen
You can make wonders. Great people doing it will go to 50,000 also. I'm telling you honestly, the same thing can be done, but it takes time, quality of time. If I put more interest, more application, like more colors like that, it becomes masterpiece. I'm telling you honestly.
I've seen the difference between two things, two portraits. One
Okay.
with the pencil and one with the color.
Okay. Patience is very important while doing, concentrate and then do it, comes out nice. When you don't do outline, If anatomy is not nice, how much ever you do, you'll be somewhat like that. If you do outline is fine. You can apply more and more. You can pour and you can make it glow. How much ever time you give, your portrait will be very, very fine.
So the art festival, if someone if wants to make a portrait from this, I can contact you.
I'm from Bangalore.
Okay.
I'll give my number. You can pass me if you want.
Yeah, sure. I put it in my blog so that people can directly contact you. You can make photograph. From photograph, do you make it?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So that's
See,
great.
live is it's just 500 rupees.
Okay.
With photograph, I charge 1000 rupees.
Okay.
But quality of work will be there.
I can say it.
It takes time. See, here I take 20-30 minutes time. Over there, photos I take half a day. And quality will be there.
So you're all the way from Bangalore for this art festival.
Correct. I love to see this.
Even I'm from Pune. I'm here for the art festival.
Oh, great.
Last time we had an art festival in Pune.
Uh-huh.
There was an artist from Bangalore, Rajesh Anand.
Oh, Rajesh, okay.
So he was into the oil pastels and
Oh, wow.
painting.
After doing the eyes, we make it black. Shade.
After going home, I'll be making a frame and posting it in my living room.
Great.
And I'll send you the pictures.
Okay.
This is my first portrait of my life.
You have to take at least, you can see the difference between different people doing portraits, color works and all. It's nice actually reading, seeing people, understanding people, different artists.
Actually, I love art.
Great, okay.
And I've been visiting many art festivals. So it's like the fourth art festival I'm visiting in the last 2 months.
Wow.
This was the best. I've just enjoyed it.
Okay.
And this is the first thing I'm going to show you.
Wow, great.
Okay.
See, every year or within 2 years you will be changing. You have to notice that changes. So that is how we do. In childhood you have taken some photos. That mindset will be something different, right? And I'm telling you, now you have grown up, you are mature kind of, you can understand. That way, it goes on. After experiencing 5-10 years, your thought, your idea will be something different. That time doing portrait, that way, differs.
Portrait differs.
Person to person, they'll tell you the psychology behind you, what exactly you are. That way. was into some music and he's asking you.
No, I'm into modeling and acting.
Okay, good.
I love music,
Okay.
but I'm worse than a bathroom singer. Get rid of something and start singing.
And what about sports?
Sports, yes, I'm into sports.
Okay.
I used to play marathon. I played football. I played cricket for. I played under 16 for Maharashtra cricket.
Oh wow. Okay.
Now I'm into calisthenics.
Carry?
Calisthenics. It's a new form of fitness.
Okay.
Basically, what normal people do is pull-ups.
Uh-huh.
We do muscle-ups.
Oh, okay.
It's all wearing bars.
This is the second round I've completed.
Second round.
Yeah, okay.
Judwa 2. Now, see this, the completely same. Akshay. So guys, it's just almost 15 to 17 minutes. That Sir said like in 30 minutes, but he have made it in like only 20 minutes max, less than 20 minutes. This. So
Let me do
Yeah.
final touches.
the final touches are left.
Usually we go for three to four, 5 rounds.
Okay.
So third round is sufficient. I'm telling you, if you take more time, I'm telling you, you can see the rates of varies of 50, 500 and varies 5,000.
Yeah.
So that way.
That way.
People will be wondering why, what is that? Still what? Exactly done, almost done.
Almost.
So still what? You can do more 1 hour in this.
Okay.
I'm telling you, usually we do 5 hours to do a portrait. Light and shade and everything. This is actually second round, third round. A little bit of the shade required, we have done it.
Each round it's getting better and better.
It's just rendering, getting molded.
Same. Can ask him. Yeah. Same again.
Same.
Thanks a lot, sir.
We start with this and we end with the same thing. Small light line and then making it darker and darker. It has to match. So everything according it goes.
Without straight is difficult, na?
Huh?
Make straight line.
Without scale.
Easy.
Without scale.
No, easy.
It need lots of practice, but
Even with the scale, we are not that
Yeah.
accurate.
This has to match. If I hold here, it has to end. I just made little. Then your portrait is fine, exactly fine. It's portrait all calculation. How the eyes, nose will be the same. Nose, lips and ears will be the same. The face get belongs. It all related. It's all related. I want to take unwanted lines. That's it. See, eyebrow to be made. Just 2 lines. Sorry for disturbing you. Because of you, we started talking other things and all. Nice time.
We could capture everything. Thank you so much. So, this is like a dream of every person to make a live portrait. With the help of sir, I could make it my live portrait, and which I could post it on social media, where everyone can see the live portrait can be made in max to max 20 to 25 minutes or 30 minutes max. So can you write the date?
जिसका मोबाइल
7th February.
7 February. So next year when I'll be here, I'll make it with you.
Great. Love to see you.
So every year I'll be making a portrait from sir, and this is for sure.
This anatomy, we are just erasing. Yes, done.
Done. So the art and the artist.
Wow.
Thank you so much, sir. Same to same, Judwa. Thank you so much.
Wow.
So can you please tell your contact number and details?
9845
Okay.
50 80 and 40. My name is Hadinath from Bangalore.
So you can directly contact guys for the portraits, and sir will help you with, and guide you with the best. Thank you so much, sir.